Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now we are going to solve question number 2 of weekly contest 452, minimum absolute difference in sliding submatrix. So let's read the problem statement first. You are given an m into n integer matrix grid and an integer k. Okay, for every contiguous k into k submatrix of grid, we have to compute the minimum absolute difference between any two distinct values within that submatrix. We have to return the 2D array answer of size m minus k plus 1 into n minus k plus 1, where answer of ij is the minimum absolute difference in the submatrix whose top left corner is ij in the grid. Okay. Note, if all the elements in the submatrix have the same value, then the answer will be 0. A submatrix x1, y1, x2, y2 is a matrix that is formed by choosing all cells matrix xy where x1 is less than equal to x, less than equal to x2, and y1 less than equal to y and less than equal to y2. All right. So very easy problem statement, right? So let's understand with example number 1. So this is grid given to us, right? So here if I draw this grid, so it is going to look like this. We have 1 here, we have 8 here, we have 3 here, we have minus 2 here, and if I just give the indexing 0 row, first row, 0 column, first column, right? Okay, so here in this case, if you see, your m is nothing but number of rows, that is 2, and your number of columns is also 2. Okay, right? Okay, and integer k is also given to us, which is 2, right? So now what we need to do, we have to return a 2D array answer of size m minus k plus 1. Okay, so m is 2, k is also 2, 2 minus 2 plus 1, that is 1, and here n is 2, k is equal to 2, and 2 minus 2 plus 1 is 1. Okay, so our answer is going to be of just a single cell, right? 0 0. All right, so now what we need to do inside this, for every contiguous k into k, that is 2 into 2 submatrix of grid, we have to compute the minimum absolute difference between any two distinct values in the within that submatrix. Okay, so here if you see, all right, these are the values, right? So here if I just sort them, I can use tree set. Okay, I need the different values only, right? We have to compute the minimum absolute difference between any two distinct values. Okay, so I can use tree set. Okay, and tree set is going to sort it. Okay, so first I'm going to get minus 2, 1, then 3, and then 8. Okay, so these are the three distinct values. Okay, and now we have to calculate the minimum absolute difference now. So I just need to subtract these two. Okay, minus 2 minus 1, I will get minus 3, that is nothing but 3 only, right? Then I will check these two, difference is just 2 here. Okay, then I will check these 3 and 8, difference is 5. Okay, so here 3, 2, and 5. Okay, out of them, uh, this is minimum nah? Right? So I'm just going to fill this here, that's it. Okay, so there is only one possible k into k submatrix, 183 minus 2. Distinct values in the submatrix are 1832. Okay, why I sorted it actually, so I don't need to see the difference between minus 2 and 8. It is going to be larger only, right? I need to see the difference, okay, of the adjacent elements, okay, after sorting. So that is always going to give me the smallest difference, right? So 1 2 4 8. Okay, so these two are going to give me the smaller difference now, right? 2 minus 1, okay, 1. All right. Okay, so here if I check the difference of 1 and 8, then it's larger now, so that's why I sorted it. Okay, so here I'm getting 2 now. The minimum absolute difference in the sum matrix is a 1 minus 3. Okay, and we are taking absolute obviously, and thus the answer is 2, right? And these are the constants. Now see this example number 2. 3 minus 1, k is equal to 1. Okay, so we have just like this now, 3 here minus 1. Okay, and k is equal to 1. So if you are going to form this k into k, okay, so both k into k submatrix has only one distinct element, right? Thus the answer is 0, right? So you can just apply the same formula that we are using here for this, and same way for grid 3 also. These are given to us, so output is going to be like this. So there are two possible k into k submatrix, right? So just go over all these details. Okay, it is very similar whatever I explained. Okay, so now same thing we have to do in the code. Now let's see the code. So calculate the number of rows, number of columns, then this is your answer. Okay, and it is given. Okay, the size of this m minus k plus 1 and minus k plus 1, and then we have to just iterate over all the cells one by one, and then we are going to use the tree set to store the sorted unique elements in the k into k submatrix. Okay, so I'm getting this tree set, then I'm going to collect all the elements in the current k into k submatrix in the tree set. Okay, I'm adding them. Okay, so if they are unique, okay, then only I will get numbers like this 1 2 3. Okay, if all the elements in this k into k are same only, then let's say only one, so I will only get one in that case. Okay, if they are distinct, I will get 1 2 3, right? We are only collecting a distinct, nah? Right, that's why we are using set, right? So if all are same, then we are only going to get one. Okay, so here, if the all elements in the sum matrix have the same value, then the answer will be 0, right? So that's what I want to prove now. Okay, so if only same elements are there, then let's say only one is there. Okay, if distinct are there, then 1 2 3, let's say. Now we have to calculate the minimum absolute difference between the consecutive unique sorted elements. Okay, so mean difference is equal to integer dot max value, previous is equal to null. Then I'm just going to iterate over all the values in the set, right? So previous is not equal to null. Okay, initially it is null, so definitely we are not going to execute this for first time, and then we are going to update the prev with the value. Okay, so in this case, my prev I will add just one, and in the this case, let's say I'm going to add one. Okay, right. Now next time there are no other elements here inside this, right? So mean difference is still going to be max value here, right? In this case, mean difference is going to be max value. Okay, mean difference, right? But in this case, next time 2 is there, so 2 minus 1, I will calculate the difference. Okay, whatever I'm going to get, going to get, let's say 1. Then after that, here 2 and 3 difference I will check, then okay, then whatever the minimum I will take that. Okay, so this is how we are going to calculate. Okay, and we are going to update the answer of ij as if mean difference is equal to integer dot max value, then in that case 0. Okay, so all the elements are same, so we are just giving 0, otherwise mean difference. Okay, and in that just return answer. Very simple problem. Okay, whatever is asked in the problem statement, we are doing the same thing, right? So I hope that you guys are clear with the question number 2 of weekly code test 452. And if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.